Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are using torrents and downloading illegal software off of torrents, you better be careful, as a bunch of software that is downloadable from torrents have been actually plagued with a fake VPN. And what happens is that your antivirus, once again, I say it all the time, people download illegal software off of torrents. They say, oh, my antivirus is going to detect any problems or any virus. Well, it doesn't. And here, a company called Reason Labs has detected 3 separate VPN, fake VPN extensions that actually come from torrent files and that infect both the Google Chrome browser, and also it infects the Microsoft Edge browser. And what happens is that it's undetected by all the antivirus. It actually installs a fake VPN that looks real because it has actually its own control panel that looks like a real control panel from a VPN service, has even a button for subscription. So even if you get infected with that, you think it's a good thing and it's a real thing. Problem is, it downloads other malware. So the first thing that it does while it installs in your browser, it actually infects your machine and breaks your antivirus so it can't work. But your antivirus still looks good. It still tells you it's fine, but it isn't. It's not doing its job anymore. And now it just infects with ransomware and all sorts of problems. Just in the last few months, 1.5 million users have been infected with this. And it's actually accelerating. It's going faster and faster as time goes by. So really, really a big problem. And they say that it infects most of the popular torrents that people are searching for. So this tells you, and when we say that security is what you do, well, here's a great example of security being bad because you do something or an action that shouldn't be done, downloading, illegal software off of torrents. It's always the same game. As a tech guy, I've seen it all the time. Everybody that was infected with viruses and malware always had done something that they should not have done. And those that download illegal movies, illegal software of all sorts off of torrents are always the ones that are worst affected, especially because a lot of the times all the files are in a format that makes them compressed. And antivirus doesn't see really much in compressed files. So that's why it's always going through, and that's why you get infected, and that's why your antivirus is completely useless against that. Once again, telling you that antivirus is not what you should rely on for security. There is good news about that because of the Google extension check, and the fact that your browser, Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, do run a check of bad extensions. It seems that more and more browsers have the fake VPN removed automatically by the Google browser itself. But the biggest problem with that is, how long has it been there before it's removed? Did it have time to break your antivirus and bring its host of malware? So just be very, very careful, because doing things like downloading illegal content via torrents is a huge security risk. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.